C20 Entrance Mode. As you will see in this simulation of the C20 garage, when parking vehicles during the entry rush hour period, most of the vehicle lifts will be dedicated for entry parking only. By doing this, the efficiency of the ACPS will then be increased. When the vehicle is ready to be parked, the vehicle is transferred from the entry-exit station onto the lift, and at the same time, an empty pallet is replaced into the entry-exit station for the next vehicle to be parked for maximum efficiency. The lift will then take the vehicle to be parked to the nearest available level, which is determined by the closest available cart. From there, the vehicle will be transferred from the lift to a waiting passing device, or PD. The passing device acts as a path between the lift and cart, and at the same time controlling both the lift and cart to operate separately. After the vehicle is transferred from the passing device to the cart will start to move laterally and rotate the vehicle at the same time with the built-in turntable. Fast exiting will be achieved by doing this, since the vehicle will now be facing forward to exit. An empty pallet is supplied from the pallet storage rack, or PSR, to the entry-exit station, or EES. This is done through the pallet feeder device, which is located on the vehicle lift. The lift will be carrying an empty pallet from the PSR in the lower part area of the lift. The entry-exit station has been designed in such a way as to have the least amount of cycle time for the next driver to enter. C20 Normal Mode. During non-rush hour periods, normal mode function will be set. At this time, all lifts can be used for either entry or exit. The parking system will store the vehicles the same way as during peak periods. When first rows are filled to capacity, the system will then start to park vehicles in tandem. The parking system will also be able to control at which time and how many pallets are to be stocked on the pallet storage rack during normal mode. Also, during this period, the system will be able to study the habits of resident parkers to shuffle vehicles accordingly for faster retrieval. C20 Exit Mode. During the rush hour exiting period, exit mode will be set, and most of the vehicle lifts will be dedicated for exiting only. The vehicles will be exiting consecutively, making exiting fast when returning back to the entry-exit station. To avoid queuing time, vehicles will be retrieved and stored temporarily at the passing device, ready to be picked up and transferred onto the lift. During this period, the lift will also be returning the empty pallets back to the pallet storage rack, thus making cycle time more efficient. In case the pallets, which are stored in the pallet storage rack, are exhausted during entry rush hour, the lift will automatically be set for exiting mode only, and then will start to recharge the pallet storage rack. After using the lifts for a certain period of time, the parking system will have accumulated enough data, and a statistic analysis will then be able to determine how many lifts will be used for only entering or exiting. This enables the automated parking garage to run more efficiently.